Va bene. That should be enough. Let's get out of here before the guards arrive. Hurry, Ezio. The sooner we're done with the doctor, the sooner we can sleep.
Come, friends! I've fresh-caught leeches today.
Ben trovato, Doctor.
Fratelli Auditori, why am I not surprised? You've made quite a mess of yourself, young man.
It's nothing, really.
You must help him. That pretty face is his only asset.
Fottiti.
There we are. Now get out of here.
Grazie.
This way. Quite a night.
Indeed. I only wish they were all as much fun. Oh, wait. They are.
We should head home, Ezio. Father's sure to be wondering where we've gone.
Yes. I'd rather avoid a lecture.
Up for a little race, then?
To where?
Roof of that church. On the count of three. Uno, due, tre. Baby brother still has much to learn.
I'm sorry.
Come on,
I almost feel bad about this. Oh, no shame in failure, brother.
Come on, then. This way.
Where are you going?
You'll see. It is a good life we lead, brother.
The best. They never change.
And may it never change us. All right. Enough of that. We really should head home. Let's go.
Wait.
What? Ezio, let Cristina sleep.
There will be time enough for that. Later.
Ah.
So it's Vieri. Better hide.
Keep looking! He couldn't have gotten far! He'd better not be looking for trouble.
Cristina! Cristina!
Who's there?
Me!
Oh, Ezio! I should have known.
May I come in?
Fine, but only for a minute.
A minute is all I need.
Indeed.
Well, wait. That came out wrong. Come here.
Oh, Ezio.
Christina! Christina! Celia! Tutor will be here soon. Come, my daughter. Is it really so terrible that... Figlio d'un cane! What is this?
Perdonate, messere! Chiedo venia!
I'll kill you!
No, no, that's not necessary.
Guards! Guards! Voglio la sua testa! Go! Take him down!
There's really no need for violence. You have me confused with someone else. She needed some help with some things. I'm mostly innocent.
Ma che? What's the point of this Danza del Diavolo?
What's he doing? Maybe...
He's here, Master! Don't lose him! He's here!
To all ragazzi of suitable age, the city guard...
Where is he from?
Air for all.
I have it! Il latest vogue a Venezia, Siena, Urbino, etc. I have it all over, gathering the finest works for my discerning age. There! On him!
No need to be scared. Get what you deserve, bastardo!
Down with you!
Come, don't be shy.
Porca miseria!
Come and get your...
I've done what I could. But perhaps you should avoid the deeds that broke you.
Good morning, Father.
Come with me.
Is something wrong?
Do you think me blind and deaf, son? I know all about your fight with Vieri di Pazzi last night. And then this little visit to Christina. Your behavior is unacceptable. It reminds me of myself when I was your age. I assume these misadventures won't interfere with your work today.
No, Padre.